Hello butterflies and dragonflies. Yesterday you had a go at using your subtraction knowledge to work out how many watercolour pencils we've got left in our classes. So today we need to learn more about subtraction so that we can calculate how many different, about all of our different items of stationery in the classroom. We can calculate how many we've used, and then you can use that knowledge to help us to understand whether we need to order some more and how many we need to order. Okay, so let's have a look at our learning objective for today. Okay, so we're learning today to subtract ones and tens from a two-digit number. So you're going to need to be able to subtract ones from a two-digit number like we did yesterday, but this time recognize when you can make an exact multiple of 10 through subtraction. You also need to be able to subtract tens from a two-digit number. I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. Now, some of you might have already done that if you did challenge 2 or challenge 3, not yesterday, the day before. And if you have, then you're going to be hopefully have a really good go at challenge 2 or challenge 3 today, and I'll show you what that involves in a moment. Okay, so let's start by recapping. Can you tell me what a minuend is? Well done. A minuend is the number that you've got. So it's the number that you start with at the beginning before you take anything away. It's the number that you've got, the total at the beginning. Can you tell me what a subtrahend is? Well done. It's the number that you subtract from the minuend. And can you tell me what the difference is? Well done. It's the answer. Again, we'll have a look at why that's called the difference in a few lessons' time. Okay, let's recap how to do these calculations. If you've got a piece of paper in front of you, can you please have a go at 74, take away 1. Off you go. Have you done it? Well done. You should have got the answer 73. Now, it doesn't matter whether you use your deans that you've made to work that out, or whether you've used a pictorial jotting, or whether you've done it in your head. It doesn't matter which one you've used, as long as you've been able to use something to help you get the right answer. Okay, have a go at 37, take away 6. Well done, it's 31. Some of you might be starting to recognise that we're taking this ones digit, 6, away from the ones column in the two-digit number. We know that 7 take away 6 is 1. So the ones column in the answer here is going to be 1. And we haven't taken away any tens. So the tens stays as 3, 31. Okay, have a go at the last one, 25, take away 2. Have you done it? Well done. It's 23. Because again, we can look at the ones columns, the ones digits, can't we? We've got 5, take away 2, and we know that the answer there is 3. And if we look at the tens column, the tens digit there, we haven't got any tens at all to take away in the subtrahends. So we know that the answer will be 23. Okay. Let's have a look at subtracting ones that make an exact multiple of 10. I'm going to show you first of all using our deans. Hold on a moment while I get the screen up. Okay, so let's have a go at 34. So I've got my 3 10s for my 30, and I've got my 4 1s for my 4. 34. 34, take away 4. Now, if we've got 34 and we are taking away 4, we can already see that I'm going to take all of these away. So I'm going to be left with no 1s at all. Let's take those away. Can you see that? So we can already see that I've got no 1s left. 34, take away 4, and I'm left only with 10s. So I've got 3 10s, which are 30. So 34 take away 4 equals 30. So already I knew that I was going to have no 1s at the end. I was only going to be left with 10s. I could already see that. Let's try again. Let's do 47. So I've got 4 10s for my 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. And I'm going to do my 7 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so if I'm going to take away 7, am I taking away anything from the 10s? No. Am I taking anything from the 1s? Yes. How many 1s am I going to be taking away? Am I going to take away some of them or all of them? All of them, because if I've got 7 1s and I'm taking away 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I'm going to have no 1s at all left. So I've only got 40. Okay, let's have a look at what that looks like if we're using our pictorial jotting. Okay, 29, take away 9. So let's start off by drawing out our minuend. Let's draw what we've got. We've got 2 10s and we've got 9 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we can see our subtrahend tells us we have to take away 9. We don't have any 10s to take away, got nothing in the 10s digit, only 9 1s. We know that we've got 9 1s exactly here. So we know we're going to take away all of them. So we can subtract all of the 9s. 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I know that I'm going to be left with 2 10s. So we know that if this number is the same as this number here, if the 1s digit in our 2-digit number and the 1s digit in it when it's just a 1-digit number is the same, we know we're taking away all of the 1s. So our answer then is 20. We've got 0 1s left. Okay. I want you to have a go at 85, take away 5. You can use a pictorial jotting if you want to. If you're finding the pictorial jotting too tricky, then use the manipulatives, use the deans. Or if you can already predict what the answer is going to be, just write down the answer. Pause the video now and have a go. Okay, have you done that? Well done. So 85, so I'm going to start off by drawing our minuends. We know our 10s digit is 8. So we're going to draw our 8 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's just double check that we've got 8 tens. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Good, that's 8 tens equal 80. And how many ones do I need to draw? 5, well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super. Okay, how many ones do I need to subtract? 5, well done. Again, we can see that we need to take away all of the ones because the digit is the same. We've got 5 ones in our minuends and we're taking away 5 ones. So we're taking away all of them. So we know we're only going to be left with tens. How many tens are we left with? Well done, 8 tens. So the answer is 80. Fantastic. Well done, everybody. So now we can have a go at the abstract method if you want to. So abstract is when you really understand it and you don't have to use a pictorial jotting anymore, that you really can look at this calculation and you know that 78 take away 8 will equal 70. And you know that because your, your ones digit in the 2-digit number is the same as the ones digit that you're taking away. So you've got 8 ones and you're taking away 8 ones. So you're left with no ones at all. Okay, have a go at the next 3 and then we'll see how you've got on. Well done, have you done those? Well done. So 54 take away 4 is 50. So we've made what we call a multiple of 10 there because it's only got tens, it doesn't have any ones. 32 take away 2, 30. Well done. And 91 take away 1, 90. Well done. So if you feel confident doing that, then you can just use the abstract method. But if you feel that you're not quite sure about that yet, that's absolutely fine. Use the pictorial jotting or use the Deans to help you work out the answer. The more and more that you do that, the more able you will be to get onto the abstract way of doing it, because you'll start to see and start to recognize the pattern and the understanding with what you're doing. Okay. So that was covering the first 2 success criteria. So subtracting ones from a 2-digit number and recognizing when you're going to have an exact multiple of 10. So recognizing when there's going to be no ones left. Can you tell me when that happens? How do we know when we're going to have no ones left? Well done. It's when the ones are the same in the minuend and the subtrahend. Well done. Okay, right, let's have a look at subtracting tens from a 2-digit number now. Okay, let's have a go at using our manipulatives again. Okay, let's start with the number 43. 4 tens and 3 ones, 43. Let's just double check I've got the right number. 10, 20, 30, 40. There's my 40. 1, 2, 3. There's my 3. Okay, 43, and I'm going to take away 20. Am I taking away any ones? No, because there's nothing in the ones column in the number 20. There aren't any ones in the number 20. Am I taking away 20 tens? No, because in the number 20, we've got 2 tens. So we're taking away 2 tens. 1, 2. What have we got left? We've got tens and ones left, haven't we? What number have we got left there? Well done. 23. Well done. Okay, let's have another go. This time I'm going to put the number out and then I want you to do the subtraction and tell me the answer. You can use your Deans if you want to in front of you that you've made. Let's have a go at doing 71, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I always like to check that I've made the right number first, just to make sure that I don't then make a mistake with my subtraction because I started with the wrong number. 71, I want you to take away 50. Off you go. Have you done it? Well done. Okay, let's have a go together. Let's take away 50, 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What am I left with? 21. 10, 20, and 1. So the answer is 21. Well done. Okay, if you're finding that you really understand that, then let's have a go at doing our pictorial jotting for subtracting tens and see whether you feel confident by doing that. Let's have a go. Let's have a go at 27, take away 10. I'm going to show you one and then you're going to do one. 27, so we're going to draw out our minuends. Let's draw how much we've got. There's my 20. Actually, I'm going to make that green because our Deans are green, aren't they, for the tens? And then we've got 7 ones. So let's draw 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just going to highlight those yellow so that we can see that. Okay, you don't have to colour in your pictorial jottings. I'm just doing it to show you that our tens digit is the big green blocks, and the ones digits are the P's that we draw, but the little cubes that we use at school. Okay, we're subtracting 10. So we've been asked to subtract 10. So we've got 1 10 we need to take away. And have we got any ones we need to take away? No. So we're not going to take away any ones, but we're going to subtract 1 of our tens. So I'm going to cross out 1 of our tens. And let's see how much we've got left. We've got 1 10. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've still got 7. We didn't take any away. So 27 take away 10 equals 17. Okay, have a go at the next one. Do your pictorial jotting on your paper in front of you. 45 take away 20. Off you go. Have you done it? Well done. Okay, let's have a go together. So we're going to draw the minuends. 45, 10, 20, 30, 40. I know that that is my tens digit, so I'm drawing four tens. Now I need to draw 5 ones because that's what my ones digit tells me that I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so let's look at the number 20. Am I taking away any ones? Nope, because it says 0 ones in the number 20. Am I taking away any tens? How many? 2. Well done. So I'm going to cross out 2 of my tens. There we go. And how many have I got left? I've got 2 tens left. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 ones left. So the answer is 25. Well done. Now, if you feel you really understand that, then you can move on to the abstract way, which is just knowing which digit you're subtracting from. So we know that we haven't got any ones to take away in any of these calculations. So we leave the ones digits exactly the same. and we're just going to take away the tens digits, okay? So 68 take away 30, I know I need to take away 3 tens from 6 tens. And I know that 6 take away 3 is 3, and I know that I'm taking away 0 ones from 8. So I'm still going to have 8, 38. Now let's look at 49 take away 20. So I've got 4 tens, and I'm taking away 2 tens. So I'm going to have 2 tens, and I've got 9 ones. I'm taking away no ones. So I've still got 9 ones. So the answer is 29. And then here I've got 74 take away 30. So I've got 7 tens, and I'm taking away 3 of them. 7 take away 3. Well done. I've got 4 tens left. And then I've got 4 ones, and I'm taking away 0 ones. So how many ones do I have left? Well done, it's 4. So my answer is 44. And then finally, 21 take away 10. Can you tell me what the answer is? Well done, it's 11, because we're taking away 1 10 from our 2 tens and nothing away from our 1 1. So we have 11 left. Well done, everybody, that's super. Okay, so what I want you to do now is have a go at these calculations. So you can choose to do challenge 1, challenge 2, or challenge 3. If you choose to do challenge 1, you're practicing everything that we've learnt already today. So you're practicing taking away ones from a 2-digit number and knowing when you're going to have no ones left. And then you're practicing taking away tens from a 2-digit number, where you're leaving the ones digit alone because there's no ones to take away, but you do have some tens to take away. Okay, again, you can do that using your Deans, or using your pictorial jotting, or using your mental strategy, and that's what we call the abstract way, where you just know which digits to take away from what, and you know how to find the answer. If you feel you want more of a challenge, you can have a go at challenge 2, where this time we've got some hundreds, and you might be taking away tens, ones, or hundreds. So here you have to think carefully about your place value. You have to think, am I taking away tens, or am I taking away ones, or am I taking away hundreds? You have to make sure that you're taking away from the correct digits, okay? And if you want to have a go at challenge 3, then you'll need to do some subtraction word problems, which are on the class page. And here you're going to have to carefully think which number is the minuend and which number is the subtrahend. So which number am I taking away from which? Okay. Now, if you want to have a go at challenge 2 or challenge 3, then watch the second video tutorial and I will show you how you can have a go at that. Okay. But if you feel you just want to practice what we've learned in this lesson, then have a go at challenge 1 and you can get started straight away. Well done, everybody. See you soon. Bye.